So normally I don't buy new bikes, I buy old bikes with problems, and one of the older bikes I bought with problems was the Moto Guzzi v11 lemans. This is a bike I made a video about. I bought it off Copart. I had a horrendous amount of issues with getting the bike delivered, getting it registered, paying way more than I wanted to for it. But the reason you haven't heard much about this bike is it's been pretty amazing for me, actually. It's been my daily rider all summer. I've had absolutely zero issues with it. Once I got this bike running, got it on the road, it's been great. You know, I thought when I bought a 20-year-old Italian superbike, it would be plenty of content talking about all the issues with it, but unfortunately, it's been 100% reliable, unlike the nearly brand new Yamaha I bought, which has actually turned out to be quite a project.